So, hi, yes, it's me. I'm back again. This vlog is actually going to be quite a fun one because it's the top 5 Alamy blogs from 2015. Reason is, it's 2016 now, completely different year. Also really handy because if you are relatively new to Alamy, it will sort of give you a little guided tour. So, first of all, I should actually take you back to our homepage just so you can find the blogs when you log on. So, homepage, here we go. And all we need to do is scroll right to the bottom. Okay, now you need to look here, which is cool. So in the About Us section, okay, scroll all the way down and you'll see our blog. So click on that and it takes you to the blog's homepage, which is pretty epic. Now, first little trick about the homepage, we have a separate blog for contributors than we do our clients. So contributors, if you look there, you will be able to find your blogs there. Read all about it. Any questions, go to our member services team. They'll be able to help you out. For the clients, you can search, if you're looking for a specific blog, you can search via here. Let's type in something fun. Film locations. Everybody loves a good film location. Enter in there. You can find blogs based on film locations, which is awesome. So, for example, 19 film locations you can visit around the world, and 16 must-see box sets this winter, which is really cool. And then you scroll down, you can see obviously some 16 of the best funny tennis faces, which quite frankly is one of my favourites because it's awesome. Anyway, if we go back to the main blog page, so top 5, let's start this now, okay? Edge of your seats, guys. Right, so blog number 1 that I've picked out as the top 5 client blogs is what to do if you see yourself in a stock photo. So pretty self-explanatory for a title. Example picture is obviously showing you there. So what if you're sort of a person in this image and you've gone, hey, I've seen myself on your site. Give this blog a little read and it will help you sort of understand A, why you've appeared on the site and in the image, and B, what to do basically if you would like a copy of that picture. So have a little scroll down there and you'll be able to get all your answers answered, which is awesome. Quick definitions is also a handy one to definitely pay attention to. The model release section is really, really good. And then we've got sort of a brief sort of explanation of the various different license types and what they mean. It's more of what they mean. So editorial use, and then we've got commercial use, which is pretty epic. So blog number 1 was what to do if you see yourself in a stock photo. Blog number 2, that's right, blog number 2, when and how to upsize an image. So there are going to be occasions where you've probably got like a gigantic project that you need to clear, and you're going to need some pretty hefty images. Basically, you may see an image that you really like, but it won't, size-wise, it won't fit up to the specifications that you need. That is what we call upsizing. So what you would do then is obviously normally you'd contact us and say, okay, I need a bigger image, I need to take it larger than its actual file size, what do I do? Instead of contacting us, but we always love a chat, but instead of contacting us, if you sort of check out this blog, when and how to upsize an image, it will show you when to upsize an image, and then it will offer you some awesome tips on how to upsize your image in Photoshop, or a similar software to Photoshop should be okay. Worst comes to worst, ask us in customer service. We can always sort of point you in the right direction as well. And always be mindful. Useful links, which is really, really cool, and then you'll be able to sort of catch up on sort of resizing and resampling images, which is awesome. So that was blog number 2, when and how to upsize an image. Blog number 3, going through this quick. Blog number 3, image trends. What advertising agencies and designers are buying right now. This is very, very useful because obviously when you're creating a project, or when you're looking at picture research and stuff like that, you need to know what really is current. You need to know what is hot at the moment, because obviously everybody likes it. General public like it, you like it, and your clients like it. So if you check this out, scroll down, it will tell you, it obviously breaks it into sections. So you've got travel, business, and mobile photography, which is, I think, a bit of an awesome art to have. So that's good. You can also, it gives you a handy link to our themed categories underneath. So we've got travel, business, and stock emote. Again, mobile photography with stock emote. Those categories will take you basically to the images specifically for that genre. So not just travel and everything. We've got stuff like Christmas, we've got Easter, we've got various cities around the world as well. So if you're doing a project on America, that's quite good to have as well, for example. So that was blog number 3, image trends, what advertising agencies and designers are buying right now. That is pretty awesome. Definitely check that out. Number four. 10 most searched for colours in stock photography. Okay, so another good one, especially I would say for designers, because colour to a project means everything. It sets the mood, tone, everything. So that's what we do there. So obviously it breaks down again into various different things. So white, for example, with the polar bears. We've got black, and we've got red, and we've got various others. So definitely have a good read of that. Also, if you've got any comments, I should say, you can just sort of add them in. You can let us know under this video, obviously, but you can also comment on these as well, and you'll be able to get some feedback, which is really awesome. Last blog, number 5, out of our 5 epic blogs. I'm showing my hand a lot. There you go. Number 5. 11 helpful blogs for anyone buying stock photos online. Really, really good, especially if you're a newbie to buying it. If you're setting up your business, you need to know basically which pictures are going to help you sell your product or promote your brand. This blog will show you other blogs that'll be able to do it for you. So Emily, who wrote it, this is Emily here. She has broken it down for you, finding images. So it'll link you to the blogs there. That will show you how best to find the right images. Using images in your project, and most importantly, because it is the most important thing, the technical stuff. People tend to overlook it because obviously you're going for the creative, you're going for the overall look. Without the technical stuff, the sort of the creative awesome bit doesn't happen. So definitely give that over to there. And right at the end, obviously it says head over to our website, there it is, to find even more useful resources. So we've got picture research tips, which are awesome, choosing the right file size, and more information on model and property releases. So our blog page is pretty much jam-packed. I would reckon it's got an answer for everything, except for the meaning of life. I don't think we've covered that yet. I'll put it on a to-do list. What I'll do is I'll link these blogs underneath in the comments section so that you can have a better look and you can read it through at your leisure. And I'll also link obviously the other social media pages and the main blog page. So main blog page, there it is. We update this regularly with as well contributor and client ones. It's fairly easy to navigate, but if you've got any questions, again, pop it in the little comment section below. Contact me on the customer service team. I'll be more than happy to help. But I'll see you later. Bye.